everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems AZ-400 Designing and Implementing DevOps Solutions training course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500+ courses, partners with 10K+ experts, serves 2,000+ corporates, has trained 1 million+ individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. The AZ-400 Designing and Implementing DevOps Solution certification is aimed at professionals who seek to demonstrate their expertise in designing and implementing strategies for collaboration, source control, infrastructure as code, configuration management, and monitoring in a DevOps environment. It is particularly relevant for those in roles such as DevOps engineers and IT professionals who work with Azure technologies to streamline operations and development processes. The benefits of obtaining this certification include validation of one's skills in using Azure to deliver faster and more reliable software solutions, enhancing career opportunities, and potentially leading to higher job positions within organizations that value DevOps practices. Research indicates that organizations adopting DevOps practices experience improvements in software deployment frequency, lower failure rates of new releases, shortened lead time between fixes. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the AZ-400 Designing and Implementing DevOps Solutions training. It is open to anyone keen on mastering DevOps practices and cloud-based Azure solutions. What will you learn? During the course you will learn DevOps development processes and methodologies, implementing continuous integration using Azure DevOps, continuous delivery and deployment strategies, dependency management and application configuration, infrastructure as code principles using Azure resources, security and compliance in a DevOps workflow, working with containers and Kubernetes in Azure. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about designing and implementing DevOps solutions and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our designing and implementing DevOps solutions subject matter experts have profound understanding of DevOps solutions, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of Microsoft domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients, and faster mean time to recovery in the event of a new release crashing. As businesses increasingly rely on cloud services for their operations, the demand for certified DevOps professionals proficient in platforms like Azure is on the rise, making the AZ-400 certification both valuable and timely for IT professionals looking to advance their careers. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material, and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's AZ-400 Designing and Implementing DevOps Solutions training, where you will learn to streamline development processes and enhance deployment strategies using Azure.